Hello?
Hey, Mike.
Yeah.
Hey, Mike. How's it going? It's Victor.
Who?
Yeah, it's Victor. I was just getting back to you. I didn't reach out earlier this week, but it was just in regards to the request you filled out on the internet. You put down you were an honorably discharged veteran as your military status.
Oh, yeah, yeah, the honorable.
Yeah, and I'm with the VA office, and we also had your age here as 47. Is that correct, sir?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. Well, Mike, I'm just the medical underwriter that was assigned to your file. So it will take a minute or so just to get everything out to you. So, real quick, are you like most veterans I talked to today? You were just trying to leave some money behind to your loved ones, or are you really just trying to take care of the burial expenses?
Oh, yeah, that's like a ways off, but yeah, forget,
Oh, sorry.
I forget about that. I forgot that I
Mike,
did that.
you were just cutting in and out. Could you repeat that? I heard at the end you already did that.
Oh, yeah, I forgot that I did that.
Oh, no worries. I can barely remember what I had for breakfast this morning. So no worries, sir. Okay, well, kind of how we work here, Mike, is that we just specifically help veterans find the most affordable and reduced rates that they may qualify for statewide. And just the way we're able to do that for you is that we work with all 26 insurance companies here in the state. And my job is just to help you find the most affordable plan that you may qualify for as a veteran. Okay?
All right.
Right now, to see how I can best help you here, Mike, are you like a smoker? Have you used any nicotine or tobacco products in the last 12 months?
No,
You said no?
no.
Okay, great. And then now, and for all your medical needs, do you go to the VA or a civilian doctor?
VA?
VA. And do they ever outsource you to a civilian doctor ever?
No.
Okay, so just VA. Okay. And then
Yeah.
I'm gonna take some notes here while I'm filling this out for you. My pen just died. There we go. All right, got another one. Okay, so I'm sure you kind of know how insurance is. This is the boring part, all the medical questions. So I'm just gonna list every single one out. Assume no, and if you have one of the health conditions, just let me know at the end, okay?
All right.
Just to make it quick. Any heart attacks, heart failure, strokes, TIA or stents in the last 5 years, any cancer
No.
in the last 5 years, any diabetes or neuropathy, any high blood pressure, breathing complications, or COPD, any kidney or liver problems, and have you ever been rushed to the hospital and stayed there overnight for 2 days or more?
No.
Great, sounds like you're in pretty good shape. And then one last thing, what's a rough height and weight for you, Mike?
5'11" and 215.
5'11", 215. And
Yeah.
sir, I'm not sure if it's the connection or something, but every time you kind of talk near the end, it kind of sounds like it's like a little shaky. I'm not sure what happened.
Yeah, probably the service.
Oh, it's probably just service. Are you driving? Yeah, I couldn't hear you there. Dang, I really can't hear you. If I'm being honest, sir.
Okay.
Wait, now I can hear you. Now there you go.
I'm inside.
Oh,
Oh,
it's
maybe
because
it's,
you're outside on the porch hanging out.
yeah.
Okay.
Is that better?
Yeah, it's a lot better. I can hear you clearly. Okay.
Okay.
So before we jump into this, it's just really important with the way the world is nowadays that you know exactly who you're speaking to, Mike. So I want to share with you some of my personal information here. It's gonna. Do you have a pen and paper on you?
Yeah.
Okay. Just let me know when you're ready.
All right.
All right.
Uh,
Yeah, take your time if you need to find one.
go ahead.
Yeah. So first, just write down my first and last name. It's Victor John. Two first names. and just spelled exactly how it sounds.
Okay.
VICTORJOHN. And I also want to
Okay.
give you my personal cell phone number.
All
Um,
right.
so you can call me, you can text me anytime you need something VA related, and because I just wanted you to know that I'm always going to be here for you and the family.
All right. Cool.
And that number is 802
All right.
399
Okay.
1888.
Okay.
Okay, you got that?
Yeah, I got it.
All right. And lastly, the state does require that I do share with you my government lookup identification number. So with this
Okay.
number is just going to share with you that I'm licensed with the state and that I've been through all the background checks and most importantly that I have the credentials to be speaking with you today. And you can look this
All
up
right.
on the internet. It's not hard to find me. 213
Okay.
289
All right.
56. And you can just put that's the MPN.
MT what?
NPN is what that number's called.
Oh,
National,
MTN. Okay.
yeah, national producer number. It's just a fancy word. It's just really like insurance license number. You can
Oh,
think of it
okay.
like that. And also, your phone receives text messages, right? I assume.
Yes.
All right. I'll also send you a text message from my 802 number, and it'll have like a picture of me, so you know the face behind the voice. You'll see my big head there,
All right.
and I have all that info. All right. So, Mike,
Okay.
back to you here. Besides with what I help you with today, do you already have an existing life insurance policy in place, or would this be the first one for you?
I just the only one I know about.
Okay. Oh, this will be the first one.
Yeah.
Okay. And were you looking at? I guess just yeah, just kind of fill me in. I guess what kind of had you motivated to start looking around for some life insurance?
Um, you know, I think it was like I think it was like a survey, and then like,
Mhm.
and it was a yeah. I just answered yes, I think, to one of the questions.
Mhm. Okay. Oh, so it was just something on the internet. Just clicked on it. Okay. Yeah, I get that.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, I was going for a disability increase,
uh
like
huh.
a disability increase, and it
Uh
was
huh.
one of the questions on there.
Uh-huh. Oh, you were going for a disability increase? Yeah, so
Yeah.
that's handled by another department, so I can send that info along and they can reach out and help with that. Over here, we just help veterans access discounted life insurance plans.
All
So,
right.
Mike, I guess what's the goal of the life insurance, I guess? What do you really want it to make sure it gets taken care of?
You know, well, I have children. You know, I have
Mhm.
kids,
Mhm.
and so that any that way it pays for anything that I
Mhm.
if I can not that I have debt, but
Mhm.
um, so it can pay for maybe burial and
Oh, okay.
even though I know that the probably the the depending where I get buried, if if I get the National Cemetery right here,
Uh-huh.
Bakersfield National Cemetery.
Yeah.
I think that they probably cover it, but if there's anything else, like
Mhm.
I'm sorry, there's like a funeral.
Mhm.
Um, I don't know if they do that. I know that bury, but I don't know if they pay for the funeral.
Yeah, yeah. So that is a common misconception veterans have. That's kind of why we reach out to them. So the VA, they do take care of the burial plot, but for the final expenses, that does fall on the veteran. If it was up to me though, like I really don't think we should. I think veterans should get buried for free if it was up to me. But sadly, that's just not the case. So
Yeah,
I guess Mike, it kind of just sounds like you just want to make sure that your kids get taken care of and that as a father you like they don't really have to worry about coming out of pocket just to pay for the funeral
yeah,
and they
yeah,
like just have some peace of mind. They can just focus on mourning. Is that what I'm
yeah.
hearing?
It's one of the saddest things you see when you see somebody, someone's family throwing a car wash for them.
Mhm. Yeah, yeah. I hear you. And God forbid, Mike, if something happens today and you didn't have the coverage in place, who would have to pay for the funeral? Who'd be responsible?
Probably, my son Gabriel. If
or your son
he's the
Gabriel.
beneficiary.
Okay, so he'd be the beneficiary. Okay, and
Yeah.
so is Gabriel, is he in a position where he could come out of pocket like 10, fifteen
No,
thousand?
he's not.
Okay.
No, he's not.
Oh gosh, I hear you. Okay, so that's why you kind of look at this. Like, I guess
Yeah.
what would that look like? Would he have to like do like a GoFundMe or like get a loan or something like that? How do you?
No, I just looked with. I didn't have anything planned. Yeah.
Oh gosh, okay. So it sounds like just as the father, you just want to make sure that if something does happen to you, your son Gabriel is just able to have some money left behind him, so you can just take care of everything, and you want to
Yeah.
have some peace of mind.
Yeah.
Okay,
So he
is
just
that
doesn't
about right?
have to worry about anything.
Mhm. Okay. How old's Gabriel?
He's 25.
Oh, he's 25. Oh, so he's fairly young. Is he your oldest son?
He's the most. He's the one that's doing the best right now.
He's the most responsible.
Yeah, the most
Okay.
responsible.
Okay, I hear you. Yeah, I'm thinking about having kids the next couple of years, so I should definitely ask you, what would be like your tip to me before parenthood?
Wait, what?
What would be your tip for me before parenthood? I have a girlfriend that I'm thinking about
Oh, okay.
having
Yeah.
kids soon.
My advice would be like, just wait till you're over 30 years old,
Mhm.
because I have the younger set of kids that
Uh huh.
are they're 14 and 15,
Right.
or they're 15 and 16. I'm sorry,
Uh huh.
and they got a better dad than the one that was had the kids in his early 20s.
I gotcha.
You know?
Yeah. Sometimes
Yeah. So
more mature, you mean, or how do you mean?
yeah, I was more mature enough to be a better father when I was older,
Mhm.
and then also like I didn't I had a different from two different wives. The
Mhm.
sets of
Mhm.
kids,
Mhm. Mhm.
and it seems like I didn't really know what I wanted until I was over 30 years old.
Oh, God. So until you
Like
got
what I
older.
was. Yeah, but that's just me.
Yeah, no, no, thank you, man. I appreciate it. I'll take what I can get. Like those are pretty good tips. So I guess
Yeah,
it does sound
I
like
would wait till I got married.
pardon?
I would just wait till I got married until I was 30.
Mhm. Mhm. And
Over
then
30, because
mhm.
yeah, this is a personal thing. Because really, I didn't I you gotta find out what you like.
Okay. Okay. So it's just getting older, maturing, and just figuring, like, kind of getting more of a sense of where you're at before stepping into it.
Yeah, just to see what's out there in the world.
Right. Okay. I mean, well, it does sound like this is pretty important to you, especially for Gabriel. Have you been looking around for something like this for a while now?
No, just my brother-in-law died, and he's like the
Oh
same age, and
gosh.
he had a stroke. He had a
Oh my
stroke,
gosh.
like in August. So I was like, man, if he died, and
Uh-huh.
uh, it could happen to anybody, anytime soon. I just don't want to
Mhm.
be unprepared.
And you said that was your cousin or brother?
What's that?
And that was your
So,
cousin or your brother?
no, my brother-in-law. Yeah,
Oh my gosh. And he's fairly young. Then and it was fairly recent.
yeah, he's 40, same age as me.
47 too. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
And I'm sorry to ask, but like has it been easy to go through that? Because I'm assuming your sister was married to him, correct?
What's that?
And your sister was married to him?
My wife. My wife is his brother.
Oh my
He's my
gosh.
wife's brother.
Oh, wife's brother. How's she been holding up? She been doing good?
Oh, okay. I see you. I see you sent me a text.
Oh
You
yeah,
sent me a
yeah.
business card.
Yes, sir.
All right, thanks.
Yeah, of course, man. Yeah. And the wife's been holding up okay? Sorry to ask.
No, she passed already like 10 years ago.
Oh my gosh. And the
Yeah, so
day
my mother-in-law lost all her kids
oh my gosh.
already.
Oh my
She's still
gosh.
around, but
At that young, yeah. And the day I hope they had something, right? They already had something to cover that or
yeah, I had life insurance on my wife. She
okay, good.
took care of her.
Okay, that's
Yeah, I
good.
was able to pay for everything.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
$100,000 and
Mm. Well, I'm glad you had that and we're taking it serious then. Okay. Well,
yeah.
well, I am gonna do my best here for you, Mike, and you know, I want to let you know that I'll always be here for you and for Gabe anytime. Now, are you planning for a burial, or are you going more for the cremation route?
No, no, I don't believe in cremation because now
Mhm.
that I know what it's like to, when my wife's buried,
Mhm.
yes,
Mhm. Okay, so now, Mike, so since you don't have any coverage in place right now, would you say just having like a little something in place is better than nothing at all?
yeah.
Okay. So if I can find you a policy that is affordable, how would you pay for it? Would you use your bank account or card?
Yeah, we use my big.
Okay. So now what we're going to do, be looking at here is because I do just want to, I usually tell people I want you to have money for birthdays, holidays, and all that. I just don't want to be a stress for you. I'm not sure if you've thought about how much you would like to set aside monthly, but if it can help, I can give you a range here, and you just say too high and too low. Okay.
Okay.
I want to make sure everything's comfortable. So, 200 through $150 a month.
Too high.
$150 through $100 a month.
Too high for that.
Okay. And 75 through $100 a month.
Yeah, I'm still too
Okay. So more like 50 through 75,
high.
or more 40 through 50.
Yeah, probably in there.
Okay. That's not a problem. All right. So, Mike, what we're going to look at here, let me know if this is what you're looking for, is whole life insurance. All right. And let me know if this is what you're looking for. So it's going to be something where that monthly payment is never going up and the coverage amount will never go down. And it's something that will never expire. It's going to be there for your whole life so that you can go to bed at night knowing that no matter what, Gabriel is always taken care of. Is that
Right.
kind of what you're looking for?
Yeah.
All right. So, Mike, I did plug in your information. You are eligible with your military discount for the best option statewide, and it's going to be with a company called Americo. Have you heard of them?
America.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, but yeah, they're one. They've been in business for a long time, since 1913, and they're just a really well-known, established company, and they're also A-rated, which means that Americo, they pay out their claims within 24 to 48 hours. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's gonna be super quick for Gabriel. That's what the A-rated kind of means. I know some of those companies make you wait 2 years, and it's like a little bit of a struggle. But so
Oh, that's too long.
yeah, that's way too long. Yeah, this one's gonna be immediate, day one. Okay, now they have three options that they're going to recommend for you. I just got to make sure we find something that's just nice and comfortable and affordable for you. Okay.
Right.
All right. So just grab a pen and paper, and I'm just gonna so you can write each one down.
Okay. We're ready.
So you ready? All right. Perfect.
Yeah.
All right. So the first option. This is the starter program. It's for those on a fixed income, and for those who just want to make sure that they have like a little something in place to cover their basic burial expenses today. Because, like, remember how earlier you said that you want to make sure just like Gabriel's just not put in a tough spot financially if he had to
Yeah.
come out of pocket, right? So
Yeah.
with this 5,000 amount of coverage, that is going to make sure that Gabriel's just not going to have to do any of that by covering the basic funeral expenses, just so that you can have some peace of mind knowing that he only has to focus on grieving during one of the worst periods of life. Does that kind of make sense?
Yeah.
Now, this is how they make it affordable for everyone on a fixed income. So that 5,000, and that's if I can get you qualified, is going to be $16.07 a month.
Okay.
Now, the 10,000 option, this is the most common one that most like veterans we help typically go with. So with that 10,000, what it's going to do for you is just cover all your funeral expenses now and into the future, because with inflation, prices are going up, and just really make sure that Gabriel is in really good hands, because we don't want to be burdened or stuck in a position where prices go up and she's paying for funeral expenses. So just that, I just want to make sure when you go to bed at night, as that father, Gabriel's all taken care of.
Yeah.
And if I can get you qualified for that 10,000, that is going to come out to only $28.33 a month. You got that?
Yeah.
Okay. Now the third option, this is the one that has all the bells and whistles. Just make sure like not just the funeral expenses are taken care of, but that there's some I love you money left behind to Gabriel or any of the other kids as a family. And for that, it would be 20,000 in coverage, and it would come out to $52.86 a month.
All right. That's on top of the other full coverage life insurance.
Yeah, you mean that's on top of the whole coverage? Like it's whole life and immediate coverage pays out immediately?
Yeah.
Yes, same thing. Yeah, all those policies were that, and they're with America.
Okay.
Now, Mike, so our biggest challenge is to see if I can get you qualified, but I mean, you kind of fill me in. Like as a father, do you feel the first option or the second option? What would give you the most peace of mind?
The second.
The second option, so for that 10,000.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, let's not get too ahead of ourselves. So, like, kind of here's how this works. So, it is really simple. It's not confusing. It's just like you're applying for a credit card, or if you're getting a car, they're always going to need some basic information from us, man. Okay.
Yeah.
They're going to number one, because you're familiar with this, because I know you had a policy already, but the address you want the policy mailed out to, so you can have it and see in your hands, the state you were born in, your social to verify your health. And once we do all that, we're going to put down your beneficiaries, right? So that's going to be Gabriel. We're going to put down so that we can get the money to them. And then after that, we're going to put down a method of payment on file and the effective date. Do you have any questions on that?
No.
Okay. So I'm going to pull the application, send the request for coverage, and hope to get that approval. I'll just be confirming some basic information from us here, similar medical questions that I know you know the answers to already, but I'm just required to ask you for the carrier record by law. So first, it's going to be confirming your first and last name.
Yeah. Michael Aguilar.
hmm And confirming the date of birth.
The what? The what?
Date of birth, sir.
Oh, July 11th, 1978.
Oh, you're a July baby. Yeah, I was born on July 18th. Nice.
Uh,
And you said July 11th, 1978.
78.
Okay. And can you confirm your height and weight?
5'11", 215.
hmm And the phone number we have on file.
661-484-0457.
Perfect. And I'll also send you, I'll text you over a policy summary afterwards, so that while it's being mailed out, you have something in the meanwhile, okay? And what would be a good email for you?
Mayco.
Mayzo?
Mayco.
Co.
Dot.
Mayco. Okay.
Yeah. Dot. Charles.
Mhm.
Dot Aguilar
Mhm.
at gmail
Mhm. .com.
dot com.
Perfect. And what would be a good mailing address for you?
150
150.
Torrey Torrey,
Torrey
Pine
Pine
Lane,
Lane. And what
Torrey
city is that in
Pine Lane,
Cali?
Bakersfield, California.
Okay. So 150 Torrey Pine Lane, Baker Street, California.
Yeah, 93308.
93308. Okay. And this is where they will be mailing out the policy packet with all your policy details. It's something that you will want to keep in a safe place for your records.
All right.
And the state you were born in,
California.
California. Okay. So, and the city,
Torrance.
could you spell it out for me?
I'm sorry, Torrance.
ANC. Okay. So obviously you are a U.S. citizen, and your social.
Yes.
Hmm. Your social.
546
Mhm.
61
Mhm.
4150.
Okay. And so I have 546-61-4150.
Yes.
Okay. And now I'm just going to confirm a few more medical questions for the sake of the application. I know I probably already bored you enough, but I have to ask this. I'm going to do the same thing just to make it quick. I'm going to assume no to all of them. And at the end, you can just stop me, but it's probably a no. So do you use anything to help you to walk around the house, such as a cane, wheelchair, or scooter? Any oxygen equipment to help you breathe? Any help with daily activities like eating, bathing, toileting, or dressing? Any COVID-19 in the last 90 days? Any alcohol or drug abuse in your past? Any Alzheimer's or dementia? Any AIDS or HIV? Any hepatitis? Any brain tumor or brain aneurysm? And lastly, this one's pretty goofy, but do you plan on doing any dangerous activities in the next 2 years, like bungee jumping, skydiving, or rock climbing?
No.
And I'm assuming no, but do you have any dangerous pets like snakes,
No.
anything like that? Okay, I didn't think so. No spiders. All right,
No.
and now to confirm, Gabriel. So does Gabriel have the same last name as you?
Yes.
Great. All right, Gabriel Aguilar, and this is your son, and he is 25. And not to put you on the spot, but do you know his date of birth?
Yeah. June 2nd,
Mm-hmm.
2001.
2001. June 2nd, 2001. Nice. So if you don't mind me asking, what really kind of got you thinking about getting something for Gabe? Like, what do you think he would kind of use that extra thousands for? Is he a car guy or?
Oh, what kind of what? What was that?
What do you think he would use the extra money for?
Oh, I don't know because he makes pretty good living by himself, but
Mm-hmm.
so not doesn't need anything, right?
Right.
But you know,
Uh-huh.
just yeah.
He probably just.
I don't know. I never thought about that.
I mean, yeah, because there is going to be a little left over. He might just pay some expenses. You might have helped him out with with a couple bills for next month or so. It's nice. Okay.
Yeah.
And is Gabe gonna be the only beneficiary? Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. And so he's gonna receive 100%. Okay. And so most of our families they want to be protected right away. So that means the coverage would be immediate if you pass away tomorrow, and or you slipped on some ice walking out the house. I know you're in Cali, but it just so that Gabe just gets a check. So and it also means that the first draft would be taken out in the next 24 to 48 hours. Is that okay with you?
Um. Yeah, I don't have it right now.
Oh yeah, that's not a problem. Yeah. So when would you want the effective date to be? You have all days of the month.
Yeah. Victor,
Mm.
I'm gonna have to get. I'm gonna have to end this call right now.
Oh,
I got
is
came
everything
out.
okay?
I got your business card and everything. I gotta take care of something real quick.
Yeah, yeah, is everything okay,
I'm
man?
sorry about that.
No, no worries.
I have to go. I got your card. Okay. I'll talk to you later.